Hey guys, this is Fundom on Manchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Zithulele remain called toward Nokuzola regarding Nokuzimangaliso patient's drama. And Nokuzola tell Nkululeko that he has cheated on her and Nokuzola cheat. But Nkululeko tell Nokuzola that he don't get any pregnant. When Mandlovu calls a family meeting, Nokuzola appeals to Zithulele that they show a unite front. Nomusa takes measure to assert her new position as Tushele's girlfriend. She once moved her put logging to his room, and when Tushele requests a rent, she seduces him and wins. And Nkululeko fight with Zageti on the office. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.